Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to start a yoga Shopify store with Doba Dropshipping. This is really cool, really powerful, and it's going to require $0 out of your pocket. And first of all, what is dropshipping? It's by far the best business model online today. You get to sell hundreds of thousands of different products, like all these different yoga products I'm going to show you. Electronics, clothing, home goods, beauty items, way more as well, without ever touching any inventory, without ever paying for it up front, without ever dealing with warehousing products or shipping logistics or bubble mailers or shipping labels, none of that. There are zero upfront costs, and you're never going to deal with shipping. It's incredibly powerful, and basically what we're doing is removing all of the risk, because this is the old way of doing business. You would buy a wholesale supplier, you'd order some products up front, you'd pay for them up front, you'd have to store them somewhere, and you'd have to deal with shipping. We're not doing that anymore. We're doing things the new way. We're doing things the right way with Shopify. And what we're going to do is connect our Shopify store to Doba Dropshipping. Really, really easy to do. There's the link directly below this video. You could download and install the Doba Dropshipping app. And you're going to be able to add products from Doba into your Shopify store. And then just like any other product, customers are going to come on over and buy those products. They're going to pay for those products. So we're going to get paid for products that we never even touch. We're going to get paid for products that we never have to pay for up front. And after a customer orders from us, automatically, because we have the Doba app installed in our Shopify store, Doba is going to go ahead and then ship that product out to the customer. We don't need to do anything otherwise. We just collect our profit. That's what dropshipping is. That's why it's so powerful. And you could set it up the right way when you use Doba Dropshipping. You can get the Doba Dropshipping app at doba.com. You see the link below this video. And it's a simple 4-step process. It's going to literally give you everything you need to crush it with dropshipping. Step 1, you just install the app. Literally super easy, no code required. Just click the link below the video. Step 2, and I'm going to show you this as we go over the shoulder, we'll be searching for different products, in this case in the yoga niche. We're then going to choose different products, step 3. And then step 4, I'll show you how to literally add them to your Shopify store in one click, so everything is automated, and when orders come in, Doba handles everything. You won't need to copy and paste addresses. You won't need to pick up the phone and call Doba. Literally everything connected because we've installed the Shopify app. So let's go over the shoulder. I'm going to teach you exactly how to do this step by step. So I'm inside of my Doba account, and you see the entire catalog here. Highly recommend checking out the TikTok shop selections, the top ranking, and the high profit, especially if you want to sell some higher ticket, high profit margin products. Doba's got everything, and of course, when you have this connected with the Doba app in Shopify, everything will be fully automated. And we're going to be building a yoga store, so I'm going to come over here, and we actually have the category. If we come under sports, and you see all these different categories and subcategories, of course, you could also just come in and search yoga, but we'll go under sports and yoga. And this is going to be our yoga selections that we have, and you can even filter further over here with things like average processing time. We could set a minimum and maximum. We could look for ones that have free shipping or new arrivals, so we could always have up-to-date new products for our store. All these different ways to sort minimum inventory. We could even search by price. If we wanted to search for, let's say, higher ticket products, lower ticket products, we could even sort by different things here. For example, discount rate, best sellers, which is super cool, right? Being able to sort by which ones literally make the most money for you, which ones sell the most, is sorting directly that way. So we're coming over here, and again, you could just search yoga, but we're going to look at different products. And anytime you're interested in a product, let's say we want to take a look at this punching bag. We can click on the product, and it's going to open up the product detail page. And you see the add to inventory list. That's going to be the main thing that we need to do to connect to our store. But let me show you exactly what we have here. Product title, of course. Product imagery. This is the product cost of what it's going to cost us. We see free shipping over here. Ships from the United States. So it's 2 to 7 days to your customer. Very, very quick. Great shipping. Based in the U.S., a lot of these products. So it's a kind of a huge advantage over, your maybe traditional Chinese-based drop shipping, because you have so many US-based options here. See all these different great product images as well. All of these, including the description down here, will get sent off into Shopify. And that's kind of the magic here. We say, okay, we want to take this product and add it into our Shopify store. Or maybe we want to go and take this product, yoga mat, and add it into our Shopify store. Or maybe we want to take this product and add it into our Shopify store. It's as easy as literally clicking add to inventory list. And you can come over here and create new categories or tags. You have some already existing. I'll come over to yoga. And we'll add this into our yoga inventory list. And it's going to suggest some other products immediately that you could take a look at, right? Like a nice little inflatable mat there. And we have some other yoga mats. We have some more fitness products. We could literally just take a look, and I'll show you another search here. We can just go yoga, take a look at some products that are out here. We got resistance bands. We got a massager ball. We got the aerial yoga hammock. And we'll come over here and just a little CAPTCHA over here. And when we go over here and basically take a look at the product, again, product title, price of what it's going to cost, shipping, free shipping from the US, 2 to 7 days, right? All the information, all that great stuff. So we're going to click Add to Inventory List. And you'll want to take your time and do this. You know, you could look through the entire catalog and see all the different yoga-related products, or really whatever your niche is. Maybe it's cats, dogs, fitness, whatever. You just type that in. Right? We have yoga pants, we have tumble tracks, right? We have an air scent machine for your yoga studio, right? Literally everything here. Some exercise bands, right? And you say, okay, I want to add these into my store. Okay, no problem. We can just literally go and click Add to Inventory List, and we'll go over into yoga. So let's say we've added a bunch of products now, and we're ready to connect to our store. It's super, super simple. We go over here into our Doba account under Inventory List. And you're going to see right here the ones that I just added under the yoga tag, right? I just added these a couple seconds ago. Here's some other products I was looking at before in the home goods niche. But this is the yoga niche, right? And there's, hundreds of thousands of products over here. Of course, you could look for way more than just yoga. But in this example, let's say we're going to go and take this aerial yoga hammock and swing. Literally, all that we need to do, click the checkbox, click List to Store. We've already installed the Doba Shopify app, so we have our store linked. We just select our store and click Continue. And this is going to be where we set all of the product details. And this is going to get sent over directly into our Shopify store. In fact, we could use the AI optimizer. I like using this. Just makes my life a lot easier in terms of creating product titles for this. We could even do it for the description as well. I'll go ahead and pick this one. You see it replaces it. We could add tags. We could add it into different collections in the store. You see that it automatically brings over all the different product imagery and the description. You could edit it. Let's say you didn't want to have this part in there. Of course, you could just edit that in. You could use AI as well. You see the different variants here. This would be something like different colors or maybe different sizes if you had like a t-shirt or something like that. Showing your cost. Okay, so here's your cost, $27.54, $0 free shipping. Okay, shipped from the United States. What are we going to sell it for? Typically, and this is our total cost, right? $27.54. We'll typically double it and go up to a nice round retail number. We go to $59.99. Looking at some nice $32 plus profit on here. And we'll click List Now. And we don't need to copy and paste anything. We don't need to right-click and save images. We don't even need to go into the Shopify dashboard. Right now, what's happening here is this product is being created. 54.1% profit margin, right? We make over $32 every time we sell this product, and we'll never have to touch it. We'll never have to order it up front. And because we added it through the app into our Shopify store, everything is automated. So when orders come in, someone buys this aerial hammock for yoga, everything will happen automatically. You'll accept the payment, you'll collect the profit, and then Doba will step in and automatically fulfill the product to the customer. You don't need to do anything at all. And I'm going to go over into my store and I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like live in the Shopify store. Okay, here it is in my Shopify store, Versatile Vivor Aerial Yoga Swing, exactly how we set it up here, right? And all the images that get carried over, all of the product description gets carried over. You saw we set that price at $59.99. We had that one single purple variant. And again, literally look how professional this looks because all the images are sent over with the description, right? So a really high-end, in-depth description, going to really build a lot of trust. We have all this set up right inside of our store. So it couldn't be any simpler when you use Doba, right? You're able to add tons and tons of products to your store. And let's say someone goes ahead and adds this product to their cart and goes ahead and checks out, right, and purchases this product. You'll collect the $59.99 and automatically Doba will then fulfill this product and ship it out to your customer on your behalf. You don't need to even lift a finger. Couldn't be any easier. So that was Doba. Literally can build your dream drop shipping business. All you need to do is just follow along with what I showed you there. Get some great products in your store, add them. Everything's automated. Literally no upfront costs. You don't have to buy any minimums or anything like that. That's why drop shipping with Doba so powerful. If you have any questions, please do leave a comment underneath this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them. Otherwise, I hope you build that massive drop shipping business with Doba. I hope you make a lot of money, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.